faith and strength, both are essential for accomplishment of any great work, stated by none other than Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji, first Deputy Prime Minister and first Home Minister of independent India. He was also called Iron Man of India, Loh Purush. Why he was called Loh Purush, Iron Man? He peacefully integrated princely states within India into one India. And that was the unwavering effort. Statue of Unity, which was built at the bank of river Narmada in Gujarat, right? So that Statue of Unity is a tribute to this great leader. It is the patriotic symbol of legacy of a man who spent his entire life in the struggle for freedom. And he also said that manpower without unity is not a strength. Unless it is harmonized, it is united properly, and then it becomes spiritual power. So, what is the message for you, my dear children? That do not give up. Believe in your goal. Be committed towards your goal.